Radiator cools the engine by circulating coolant through the system, dissipating heat.
Exhaust pipe direct exhaust gases away from the tractor, reducing noise and minimizing exposure to harmful emissions.
Steering wheel controls the direction of the tractor, allowing the operator to steer the wheel left or right.
Hitch pin, a pin or clip that secure an implement to the tractor hitch point.
This is the keyhole. This is the slot where the ignition key is inserted to start the engine.
Air cleaner filters the air entering the engine and removing dust, debris, and contaminants to ensure clean airflow and optimal engine performance.
Starter motor used to activate the engine, turning it over to start the tractor.
Brake pedal slow or stops the tractor by applying pressure to the brakes, helping to control speed and maintain safety.
Hitch point, the touch point on the tractor where implements are connected.
This is a side mirror. It provides the operator the visibility of the back and rear of the tractor.
Ballast weights or blocks added to the tractor for stability, traction, or counterbalance, often used in agriculture or construction applications.
Forward and reverse gear allows the operator to select the direction of travel, enabling the tractor to move forward or backward.
Accelerator regulates the engine speed, allowing the operator to increase or decrease the tractor speed.
3-point hitch, a standardized system for attaching implements to the tractor, providing stability and control.
This is a signal and hazard light. It indicates the operator's intentions when turning or changing lanes.
Battery provides the electrical power to start the engine and operate accessories like lights, radios, and hydraulic systems.
Four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive enables the operator to switch between four-wheel drive and two-wheel modes, providing additional traction and controlling the challenging terrain or conditions.
Clutch pedal engage and disengage the transmission, allowing the operator to shift gears smoothly and control the tractor's movement.
Hydraulic system, a system that uses fluid pressure to power attachments such as lifts, loader, or other implements.
This is a overprotective system, or otherwise known as ROPS. It's a safety feature that protects the operator in case that the tractor rolls over.
So this is the oil filter. Oil filter removes the contaminants and impurities from the engine oil, protecting the engine from wear, tear, and maintaining the optimal performance.
Seat belt restrain the operator in their seat, ensuring the safety and preventing the injury in case of sudden stops, turns, or accidents.
Speed selector or gear shift allows the operator to select the desired gear ratio, controlling the tractor speed and torque output.
The power takeoff. Shaft is a mechanism that transfers power from the tractor's engine to an attached implement or machinery.
This is the early warning device. May include features like backup alarms or proximity sensors that alert others when the tractor is present, reducing the risk of disaster.
Kill switch. This is an emergency stop, immediately shut down the engine and all harvesting operation to prevent accident and machine damage.
Radiator cools the engine by circulating coolant, preventing overheat.
Fuel tank stores the fuel that powers the combine harvester.
Platform auger helps ensure a steady and uniform flow of harvested material, preventing clogging or uneven feeding.
This is a threshing drum, a rotating cylinder with bars or pegs that physically rub against the concave to detach the grains.
Turbo, a turbine-driven force induction devices that compresses, increasing engine power and efficiency.
Thresher lever is used to engage or disengage the thresher drum or cylinder. When engaging the drum, start rotating the blade to begin the threshing process.
Fuel filter cleans the fuel before it goes into the engine, removing dirt and particles.
Reel help guide the crops towards the cutter bar so they can be cut properly. It gently pushes the plants to make sure they go in smoothly and evenly.
This is the concave, a stationary ribbed surface that the cylinder rotates against and facilitating the threshing process.
Steering stick or column controls the direction of the vehicle or machinery.
Forward reverse stick. This controls the travel of the harvester. Pushing it forward moves the machine forward. Pulling back makes it reverse.
Grain tank holds the harvested grain before it's unloaded.
Fill time helps lift and move the crop toward the cutter bar. It makes sure the plants are fed smoothly or cutting.
This is a separator or agitator, a device that further separates the grain from straw and chaff after the initial threshing.
The keyhole, the slot where the ignition key is inserted to start the engine.
RPM or revolution per minute. It indicates the speed of the engine or specific components. Is crucial for adjusting performance to match crops and field conditions.
Air filter cleans the air going to the engine to prevent dust and debris from causing damage.
Reciprocating light. It cuts the crops at the base as the combine harvester forward. They slice through the stems to separate the plants from the ground.
This is a transmission system. It is responsible for transferring power from the engine to various working components like the cutter head, threshing and grain trunk.
The brake pedal. It slows or stops the vehicle or machinery by applying pressure to the brakes.
Reaper lever. Engage or disengage the reaper blades or tines are attached to the rear or underbody of the harvester.
Rollers help move scrap through the machine, crushing or feeding them into different parts for processing.
Crop divider. The crop divider separates the standing crops to guide them into the cutter bar. It helps prevent tangling and ensures a smooth flow into the machine.
This is the combine harvester exhaust. It is typically used to remove chaff and other debris from the separation mechanism, including straw,